Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use Elevenlabs for free without encountering the unusual activity detected error. Whether you're a content creator, podcaster, or just someone looking to add a professional touch to your projects, Elevenlabs offers a fantastic way to generate realistic and high-quality voiceovers. It offers a free trial with a generous quota of 10,000 words, which is fantastic for getting started. However, once you've used up your free trial, you might encounter an error message saying, "Unusual activity detected," preventing you from generating more speech without upgrading to a premium plan. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to use Elevenlabs for free without the need for a premium subscription. So let's get started. For this purpose, I have tried many browsers, but it's only Microsoft Edge that work perfectly. So make sure you have Microsoft Edge installed, as it's the browser we'll be using for this process. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Edge website. I already have it installed, so let's open Edge now. In the search bar, type Elevenlabs. And select the official website, elevenlabs.io, free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. On the Elevenlabs homepage, click on Get Started Free. You'll need to sign up and create a new account. Before you can do that, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA to verify that you're not a robot. We're going to use a temporary email address for creating a new account, so open a new tab and search for temp mail. Choose any temp mail service and copy the temporary email address provided. Return to the Elevenlabs sign-up page. Paste the temporary email address into the provided field. Create a secure password and make sure to check the boxes for the terms of service, product updates, and I am a human. Then click Sign Up. You will receive a verification email at the temporary email address. Go back to the temp mail site, open the email, and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Use your newly created credentials to sign into Elevenlabs. Once your email is verified, you can either fill out the additional fields or simply skip them. Your account is now ready for use. To generate a speech, type your text, for example, "Subscribe to my channel," and click Generate. If you encounter an error like unusual activity detected, free tier usage disabled, don't worry. We'll resolve this by using VPN. Make sure to use TunnelBear VPN as it's free and work perfectly. Open a new tab and search for TunnelBear VPN. Click Download and then select Edge under the Browser Extensions section. Click Get and then Add Extension to install TunnelBear VPN on Microsoft Edge. Install TunnelBear VPN extension. Once installed, access the TunnelBear VPN extension by clicking the icon and selecting Show in Toolbar. Open TunnelBear from the toolbar and create a new account. You can use either a Google account or another temporary email address for sign-up. Return to the temp mail site to copy the same temporary email address you used for Elevenlabs. Paste it into TunnelBear, create a password, and click Create Account. Once your account is set up, connect to a server. With TunnelBear VPN connected, go back to Elevenlabs and click Generate Speech again.
Subscribe to my channel.
You should now see that the voice has been successfully generated. You can download the generated voice by clicking the Download button. The file will be saved to your computer, ready for use. That's it. You've successfully created and downloaded a text-to-speech file using Elevenlabs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.